someone turn on the fan? I'm dying of heat.
Ammi, there is no electricity. How can the fan run? लाओ मैं चला देता हूँ। अब्बू,
आपका पंखा 2 नंबर है, गर्मी 440 वोल्ट की।
there's nothing cold left.
You are the one who finishes half the world's drinks.
Wait a minute.
First, charge the battery.
There's nothing cold left.
You finish half the world's drinks yourself.
I'll turn it on.
Abu, your fan is 2 number, the heat is 440 volt.
Oi, be patient. First, charge the battery.